The Congress party and the government, its spearheads, seem to be at loggerheads over the response to Pakistan's savagery on the border. Party spokesperson Ambika Soni today has hit out at the government for not doing enough to assuage people's outrage over Pakistan's hostilities along the line of control. Soni put the government on notice, saying that it should take into account people's anger and calibrate its response to the Pakistan Prime Minister. In fact, our Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, has been silent, remember, on this issue so far. Let's get you the reaction of Congress leader Ambika Soni on this.
आपकी ऑफिशियल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा है कि ये बर्दाश्त के बाहर है। हमारे सैनिकों के मनोबल कमजोर होता है अगर हम इस मामले को गंभीरता से नहीं लें, और कोई भी अपने सैनिकों के मनोबल को कमजोर नहीं होने देना चाहता। देश में गुस्सा है और मैं कम से कम कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते चाहूंगी कि सरकार इस गुस्से को समझे और इस गुस्से को अपने कामों से, अपने पाकिस्तान से, अपने रिश्ते में व्यक्त करें।
Well, let's make more sense of these statements that we're hearing from Ambika Soni. We've got Kartikeya Sharma on the phone line with us. Kartikeya, a harsh statement coming forward from Ambika Soni. Let's not forget that it's the Prime Minister, the Congress leader Manmohan Singh, who's been silent on this entire issue. In such a scenario, how do we read into the statements we're getting to hear from Ambika Soni?
You see, there are two things to it, Nidha. One is that Ambika Soni is trying to insulate Congress party from what has happened on the line of control.
Okay.
Secondly, at a very military level, I would say that there is great unease within the military that something of this horrible nature was perpetrated on them by the Pakistani army, because it's not the loss of soldiers, it's the indignity to which the body was subjected.
Absolutely.
I think that is the bottom line. So the Congress is trying to insulate themselves while at the same time criticizing the incident. But let me tell you, the brass tacks for the government or our Prime Minister is to ensure that the LOC issue does not flare up. I have seen it up close and personal even at the time of Operation Parakram, that the Prime Minister and other senior ministers would be making statements, Nidha, but ultimately there was not one cross-border skirmish. So yes, we are not going to see anyone becoming adventurous, but this is saber rattling to preserve and conserve your political strength.
All right, Kartikeya, many thanks for having joined us with details coming forward on the statement we've just heard from Ambika Soni. We'll continue to track developments on that story for you.